So what if you encounter some issues with your homeowners association? We have a couple of tips for you there. So first, we recommend that you try talking with the homeowner association board of directors and be prepared for this conversation. So what do I mean by be prepared? So first is, we always tell folks, have you checked your governing documents? Have you looked at those covenants, restrictions? Have you looked at the bylaws and the master deed? Which, just a reminder, the covenants and conditions, restrictions, those rules and regulations, the deed, they must be in the Register of Deeds office. And then you also want to check those governing documents and see if there's any kind of dispute process or a formal kind of avenue for you to bring your concerns to the board of directors. We also say you can elect members that you think will be more responsive to your needs. You can use that democratic process to do so, or you yourself could even run to be on the board of directors. And if the issue involves a monetary dispute, magistrate's court could be an option for you. And we have a link here to a self-help FAQs that the South Carolina Supreme Court has put out about what the magistrate's court process looks like. And this was one of the items contained in the Homeowner Association Act. So if there's a monetary dispute, you do have an avenue, a court action, a legal action through the magistrate's court that you may want to take. You may also want to seek the legal advice of an attorney. Some of these issues that we've been seeing more recently related to homeowner association complaints are more complex. So we're having to close them out as undetermined because of the disputed facts. So you may want to get an attorney to assist you. And then you can also file a complaint with our office.